when he goes through,
Dad,
yes, Owen?
if we got lost out here, how do we get food?
Well, we would have to build a snare.
Hi guys, welcome back to Child Survivor. I'm on, this is my dad Jerry.
Hey guys, how's it go?
And I got my hat and my dad got his sweater. Remember, don't get good.
Okay, Owen, so to answer your question, we're going to use this tree right here to build a snare right here. We happen to be actually on a game trail. All right? Okay, so one of the few things we need is we need a nice springy tree.
Yeah.
And then we need a bunch of other parts to make it so that the critter that's going through will trigger it.
Yeah.
Okay? So we have some stuff in your backpack that will come in handy. All right, guys, so here's some of the stuff we need. Owen, we need a knife.
Some paracord.
Axe is optional, and same with the pruning saw is optional, depending on your situation. And in our situation, we have these things, so we're going to utilize them to what we need to do. Okay, so first thing we need is we need some boughs to make the ground part of the snare. So we're just going to quickly do that. Okay, so guys, we're going to have to get this bow here. We're going to pull it down. We've already threaded some paracord. I'm not sure if you can see it very well. But we're going to do our usual slip knot. So pull down, our loop goes up and over, come back on itself, through about 3 or 4 times. Whatever makes you happiest. I go for 4 because it makes it a little bit more secure. I just tighten that right up on that branch. Okay? Now we're going to take it to about here. Cut that there. Make another slip knot. Okay guys, so now we got these 2 bad boys ready to go. They're basically a branch off of the main. Another branch off the main. And then a couple more branches, one with points on either end, right? There and there. Okay, so, and this one here also has a notch in it. And we'll show you why. Okay, so now we got these in there. We have this part here. This 2-pointed end here goes between these 2 points. All right, and then this here will be notched as well, so that this is like that, and this will be our leverage. We got our butterfly knot in there. Okay, so we get this pivot point, hook it on, trigger. There we go. This snare is going to be really loose so that we can catch the critter we want to eat. Okay. And now, when he goes through, and that's dinner. And thanks for watching.
And please like, subscribe, and share with your friends.
And see you next time.
Bye.